Greetings of the day. We Saurabh Pratap of class 9th Indigo
Harshvardhan Jain from class 9th Zilnium
Shangor from class 9th
are the broadcasters of the day and are present here to update you about the happening that took place yesterday in the world. Today is the 25th April and the temperature is 20.
Time for national news. As summer intensifies, temperature crosses 40-degree mark in many states. Congress fields ex-Union Minister Subodh Kant Sahai's daughter Yashaswini from Ranchi. Case against Karnataka BJP worker, 2 others for illegally carrying rupees 2 crore cash. Students with 4-year bachelor's degree, 75% marks can directly pursue PhD UGC. Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti invites applications for 500 teacher posts. Fire at under construction complex of News Central Secretariat in Delhi. 73 trains on Ambala-Amritsar route cancelled as farmers' protest continues for the 5th day. P. Chidambaram's big poll promise law to enforce bail is rule principle. Tirthankara's teachings of non-violence getting new relevance as war breaks out, PM Modi.
Times for international news. 1,000 evacuated as 1,000 NATO bomb removed from Serbian city. China bases for once a century flood as heavy rain swells waterways. Israel holds Palestinian economic captive, say analysts. Iran-Israel appear to pull back from brink as US approves military aid. Israel to summon ambassador of nations that voted for Palestine at UN. Russia says US aid to Ukraine will hurt Ukraine, cause more debt. US House passes massive aid packages for Ukraine, Israel and Taiwan. 58 dead as boat carrying over 300 people to funeral capsizes in Central Africa.
News from the sports arena. KKR sneaked home by one run against RCB after final over drama. Gujarat Titan beat Punjab King by 3 wickets. Former number 1 Kento Momota retired from international badminton as 29. Lionel Messi double keep Inter Miami on top in Major League Soccer. Bernardo Silva strikes at late as Manchester City sink Tesla to reach FA Cup final. India Gukesh T makes history, become youngest to win candidate chess tournament. Max Verstappen win Chinese Grand Prix to extend title grip. Vinesh Phogat, Ritika, Anshu Malik secure Paris Olympic quotas for India. IOC calls for Olympic truce as flame it in Asian Olympia for Paris 2024. That's all from us today. We'll be back tomorrow with the fresh update. This is Saurabh Pratap
Harshvardhan Jain.
Ishan Gaur.
signing out. Goodbye.